What's going on, guys? This is Isaac here with Krietz Customs. Behind me I have a 2020 Ford F-150 King Ranch, and this one is going to be a very clean look to go along with the King Ranch vibe that we have going on. This one's going to have the 6-inch ready lift suspension lift kit, which is also going to have that strut spacer in this package. This one's going to have the spacer that goes just above the strut and allow us to fit this bigger wheel and tire package and also raise that front and match it up with the back as well. The wheel is going to be the very popular 22x12 Fuel Contra. This one's a very clean and simple design that really just helps this, the look of the truck really come together. It gives it a very nice, clean and simple look, and also just really helps this truck stand out going down the road. This is going to be the 22x12 with the -44 offset, which is, and with also a concave design to it. So it's going to have a very deep dish and push that wheel and tire package out about 6 inches from the fenders and give it a nice wide stance. The tires are 35 1250 R22 Nitto Ridge Grapplers, so this one is a very good tire for you if you are looking for something that you can drive every single day. It's going to give you a nice long life, but also it has a a little bit of aggressive look to it as well, so you can take this one off-road if you decide to do so. So overall, this is a very good build for this truck. So if you guys like it and want to get yours built just like it or something similar to it, we can definitely do that for you. And we also provide 0% financing for up to 12 months. So all that information can be down in the description. If you guys have any questions, definitely give us a call.